pre-toddlers. Who wants to read a book with more morale? Today's book is called First Learning Shapes. Let's look inside and see what shapes we see. Here I see on the first page, what shapes do we see? This is a circle page. Let's see how many circles we see. Let's first count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first circle shape I see is a cookie. The second one is a button that you find on your shirt or your pants. The third one is the sun, the yellow sun. And the fourth one is a plate. And inside the plate, there's an apple. Let's look at the next page. The ball is a circle. Follow the dots with your finger. Let's follow the dots with our finger. Let's see if we're making a circle. Can you make a circle with your finger like this? This is the shape of a circle. Can you spot all 6 hungry ants? If you look really closely in the page, you will see little ants. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they're all carrying food because they're so hungry. One ant is carrying a big cookie. And the other 2 ants are carrying a cupcake. And the other 3 ants are carrying a big plate with an apple. Let's look at the next page. What's this shape? What's this shape? It's a square. Let's count how many squares we see. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first square we see is a window. Windows are usually squares. Another one is a picture frame. Here we have a square that's a present. When you get a present for somebody, sometimes they are squares. Here we have a square that's a clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. A clock that tells us what time it is. The train car is a square. See the choo-choo train? It has squares on the choo-choo train. Let's trace it with our finger. Can you make a square with your finger? Go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a square. Then count the square presents. There's so many presents on this page. Let's count them together. I see 1, 2, 3. 3 presents. Ooh, what's this next shape? This next shape is a triangle. Let's see how many triangles we see. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. The first one I see is a pizza. Pizza is in the shape of a triangle. The second is a sandwich. Sometimes a sandwich can be a triangle. The third one is a flag. And the fourth one is a birthday hat. Sometimes we have birthday hats on our heads and it's in the shape of a triangle. The sail is a triangle. Trace all the way around it. Let's trace around it. Let's make a triangle with our fingers. We go 1, 2, and 3. How many red flags are there? Let's count all the red flags that we see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 red flags, all in the shape of a triangle. And the next page I see is a rectangle. A rectangle kind of looks like a square, but it's a little bit longer, right? So how many rectangles do we see here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first rectangle is a door. Doors, door to your house, the door to school, the door to your room. They're all in the shape of a rectangle. And a house. Some houses are in the shape of a rectangle. And this jigsaw puzzle is in the shape of a rectangle. And a book. Some books are also rectangles. The toy block tower is a rectangle. You see this tower of toys? And this tower of toys is all rectangles. And they want us to find 5 ducks on this page. Can you help me find 5 ducks on this page? Let's look together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 2 big ducks and 3 little ducks. 5 ducks on the rectangle page. I also see a ball. I see some crayons. I see a car. Let's see what's the next shape. Oh, that was it for the shapes. Now this is all the shapes together on the last page. So let's go through them. We have a circle cookie, and a square present, a triangle flag, a rectangle house, an oval. I think this looks like a kiwi. You know the fruit kiwi? Sometimes we eat kiwis. A pink heart, a diamond-shaped kite, and a hexagon-shaped spider web. Spider web, sometimes I like this, hexagons. And a crescent moon. There are lots of shapes to find. Spot all 9 from the grid in the scene, then trace the star. You see the twinkle, twinkle, little star? There's a big star, and there's little stars all around, and the moon. And that's the end of the shape book. Thank you so much, guys, for reading with me. Mwah!